Bukas, simula na ng Love Month, kaya mga lovers, ang mga kasama natin ngayon sa pambansang laro ng bayan. Pinoy
Ito
Henyo.
na nga, at muling magpapagalingan sa pagkahenyo ang mga Dabarkats nating Pinoy at ang kanilang asawang foreigner.
Okay, ito yung part 2 na naman. Saya to, okay. At ito
na.
naman ang mga Dabarkats na lang pwedeng mapakuha at mapalulunan sa elimination round.
Ito na ngayon yung una natin, pares. Magdadalawang taon na silang kasal sa March. Panoorin natin ang love story ni Kathy at ang kanyang Turkish husband na si Sertaç Apanay.
I've been in Sweden before. Of course, in Turkey, I had my share of relationships and what I couldn't find that I was looking for. I came to Philippines 2006. Yes, I came here by myself. In 2 months, I met my wife in internet while we were chatting, and I wanted to see Cagayan de Oro. She was from Cagayan de Oro. So I went to Cagayan de Oro, and we met, and we became friends. We had some sort of trust because every time I go to Cagayan de Oro, I stayed with her family. They were like my family in Cagayan de Oro. I just fell in love with her. In 2009, we got married.
Wala lang, nag-uusap kami. Sinabi niya lang, Kathy, will you marry me? Ganun.
She said yes. Yeah. Later on, in July, we had our first baby. Now, we are really a family. I found what I was looking for, so I am in love with a Filipino.
Yan ang love story ni na Kathy at Sertaç.
Very good si Diana.
Okay. Automatic na yung foreigner ang tagasagot ang oo, hindi, pwede.
Dito ka. Sertaç.
Okay.
Sertaç, Sertaç.
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 Okay.
Okay.
You speak Tagalog? You know Tagalog? Filipino? Sertaç?
Konti lang.
Konti lang.
Konti lang.
Okay. Ano ang bunot ni Kathy ay number 2. At ito, ibubunot ko kayo ng
Tatlong chicks to.
inyong kapartner. Ano kayo? Ba't na? Dalawa lang po. Ito na. Polling! And I'm polling.
Sertaç, are you from Istanbul?
Istanbul.
Istanbul. Okay.
Okay, 20,000.
Okay. Oo, hindi. Pwede.
Oh, hindi.
Okay?
Okay.
Sertaç, ready? Kathy, lakas ang boses, ha? Okay. Meron kayong 2 minutes. Go.
Is it a person? Bagay?
Hindi.
Hayop?
Hindi.
Lugar?
Hindi.
Tao? Tao? A person?
Hindi.
Lugar?
Hindi.
Bagay?
Bagay? Oo.
Bagay? Nagagamit ba sa... can we use it inside the house?
Oo.
In the kitchen?
Hindi.
In the room?
Pwede.
Is it bed? A bed?
Pwede.
Blanket?
Hindi. Hindi.
Pillow?
Oo.
Pillow. Pillow. Okay. Okay, Sertaç, Kathy, doon muna kayo. Meron na kayo 20,000 pesos. At ang kanilang time, 55 seconds.
Okay, at patuloy ang ating Bulaga serye, mga kaibigan. At narito ang ating second pair. 1 taon na silang kasal. Nitong January 10, at ito naman ang kwento ni Cheryl at ang kanyang German husband na si Rene McCann.
You know? Hey! Yan sina Cheryl at Rene. Okay, from Germany. Okay, si Rene. Kaya ito yung nawawalan tatay ni Wally.
Hindi, nakita na ni Wally yung tatay.
Ay.
Okay.
You speak, ano? You speak Filipino?
No.
No?
No.
O, patay ka. Buskare ito. I said you're okay. I said good luck. Okay? Oh, thank you raw. Number 3. Ito ang aking nabunot na inyong kapartner. Si Gia.
Wagi. Okay.
Okay, 10,000. Are you ready? Ready?
Yes.
Okay. Cheryl, pakilakas ang boses ha.
Cheryl.
Okay. 2 minutes. Ready? Go.
Person, places,
Sa isa lang.
person,
Oo.
international,
Hindi. Hindi.
actor, Hollywood actor, Hollywood is a girl, boy,
Oo.
boy, Hollywood actor,
Hindi.
Philippine actor,
Hindi.
Philippine actor,
Hindi.
Hindi nga raw eh.
Yeah, tanong.
president,
Hindi.
boxing, sports,
Oo.
Manny Pacquiao,
Oo.
Of course. Manny Pacquiao. Parang may iba namang boxer. Ano?
Maganda laban ito. Tingnan mo.
Ano to? Anong nangyari? Meron na kayong 10,000. Ang time nila, 56. Naku po. By 1, nanalo yung Team A. Okay, thank you, Cheryl and Renee. Okay, balik si Cathy and Sir Touch.
Very close. By 1 pin. Kaya sa touch.
Okay. Sana lang maintindihan.
Turkiana.
Meron kayong tiglilimang salita. Intindihan mo? Understand?
Not really.
5 words each.
5 verses.
Okay. 5 for you, 5 for her.
Okay.
Total of 10.
Okay.
Okay, okay?
Okay.
Okay, okay. You can pass anytime.
Okay.
Anytime. Japanese time, American time, whatever time you like, okay?
Okay.
All right. You get 3 correct, you get a jackpot of 50,000 pesos.
If we know 3.
5 for her.
Okay.
Total of 10.
Okay.
Okay, okay?
Okay.
Okay, okay. You can pass anytime.
Okay.
Anytime. Japanese time, American time, whatever time you like, okay?
Okay.
All right. You get 3 correct, you get a jackpot of 50,000 pesos.
If we know 3.
Only 3. You guess...
Sige na lang.
Yeah. Okay. Our category for today is pagkain. You know what's pagkain?
Food.
Ooh, very good. Okay. So we will give you 3 minutes. Sir Tats, you'll be the first to make pahula, okay?
Okay.
Oh, sige. Sige mo na kaisip ito.
Make pahula.
Okay, ready? 3 minutes. Go, Sir Tats.
Person.
Pagkain ha, pagkain.
Ay, sorry.
Pagkain.
Okay. Is it dry? Dry fish? Bull? Tagalog, English? Tagalog?
Hindi.
English.
Oo.
Fast food?
Oo.
Hamburger?
Oo.
You. Okay, you got one.
Very good.
Go, Cathy.
Dried food.
No. Ay,
May
hindi.
saba with soup.
Hindi.
Is it a fruit?
Oo.
Fruit?
Oo.
Round?
Hindi.
Apple?
Hindi.
Durian?
Hindi.
Mangga?
Hindi.
Watermelon?
Hindi.
Pula?
Hindi.
Is it color red?
Hindi.
Mangga?
Hindi.
Pinya?
Hindi.
Pineapple?
Okay, your turn.
Okay. Soup,
No.
fruit,
No.
rice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Filipino dish.
Hindi.
Hotdog. Hotdog. No.
Hindi.
That's not. Okay. Italian.
Hindi.
Hindi. I'm like, is it a fruit? No, it's not a fruit.
Hindi.
Is it a sauce?
Hindi.
Condiment?
Hindi.
Hindi. Pass.
Asa. Uy!
Hala.
Go.
May sabaw. With a soup.
No.
With sauce.
I think so. Ay,
Kasi pwede.
sorry. Pwede.
Alam mo ba yan? You know that?
Pass.
Pass.
Pass daw. Ikaw. You.
Okay. Is it a fish?
No.
Is it
Dry?
No.
With sauce?
Yes.
Filipino?
Yes.
Adobo?
Yes.
Buti pa ito si Tartis. Go.
Ayan, dali lang.
With sauce.
No.
Is it a fish?
No. Hindi.
Is it a vegetable?
Hindi.
Fruit?
Hindi.
Sabaw?
Hindi.
Dried?
Hindi.
Pinirito? Dried?
What?
Fried daw, fried.
Fried?
Oh.
Isda?
Hindi.
Baboy?
Hindi. Pwede.
Pwede.
Wala na oras.
Alam mo, yung minintis mo parehong
Hotdog.
mahaba. Isang
Oo.
banana at isang hotdog.
Yung kanina, banana.
Banana na lang.
May gano'n kayo additional 20,000 for a total of 40,000 pesos. Congratulations, Cathy. And
Yeah,
Sir Kat.
that's
Okay, thank you.
Okay, mga kaibigan, ang napanalunan nila
At
ay...
meron pa.
20, meron pa.
Eto pa. Yun, oh.